All right, we're cutting across to breaking news that's coming in because a hearing has begun in the Patiala House Court on Shashi Tharoor's bail plea. We're getting you the latest updates from court. Our colleague Atul Krishan is inside, sending us all the updates. We understand that the Delhi police has now objected to the bail plea of Shashi Tharoor. They've maintained that he is an influential person and if he's granted bail, could hamper the investigation process. Very, very important points being made here by the Delhi police. This is based on Shashi Tharoor's plea for bail, and you've got the Delhi police in court saying that they are against this bail. They've objected to it, saying he is an influential person and that he will hamper the investigation. Meanwhile, for Tharoor, representing him is Kapil Sibal, saying in court that Tharoor has always cooperated with the Delhi police's investigation. There is no question of him running away. Now, this is what Tharoor's counsel is saying as a retort to the Delhi police objecting to Tharoor's bail, saying that he is an influential person and could hamper the investigation. Now, Kapil Sibal, while also continuing to speak in the Patiala House Court, has said that it is Subramanian Swamy who filed a plea in our case. Only he has apprehensions, and he's reiterated that Shashi Tharoor will cooperate with the police as far as the investigation into the Sunanda case is concerned. Sibal also saying that there's no question of Shashi Tharoor running away as such. The hearing underway. We're getting you minute by minute updates here on Republic TV, what's really happening inside the Patiala House Court. You've got now the police making it very clear that they are against the bail for Shashi Tharoor, saying very clearly that he is an influential person. He could hamper the investigation of the Delhi police, and this is very, very crucial to note as well, saying that because he's an influential person, this could hamper the probe of the Delhi police in the Sunanda case. Keep in mind, yesterday Tharoor's counsel had issued a statement saying that considering this is a charge sheet without arrest, bail is inevitable, and that essentially is their argument. Our legal editor Rhythm joining us with more details on this. Rhythm, we're getting an update of what's really happening in the Patiala House Court. The Delhi police objecting to bail for Shashi Tharoor.
Absolutely, you know, the Delhi police has been very clear from the start. The Delhi police is going to be opposing the bail plea by Shashi Tharoor here. And this is going to be seen as huge because we are getting the latest information that is coming in right now that even as Shashi Tharoor has applied for bail in the Sunanda Pushkar death probe, this bail that he's applied for is coming in a hurry. Now, police has sent a fresh summons to him. Let's tell our viewers the breaking news that's coming in from the Patiala House Court, where Atul is reporting from. Summons have been issued to Tharoor. It was received, in fact, it's yesterday. It says you can come and send your advocates. Remember, Congress's top legal team is representing Shashi Tharoor in the lower court, in Patiala House Court in Delhi. Yesterday, we saw Kapil Sibal and Abhishek Manu Singhvi there. Today, we are seeing the Delhi police says no bail should not be given to him. His junior team lawyers who are already present in the Patiala House Court speaking to
Rhythm also as we speak, you know, we're getting in the updates on the phone where Atul Krishan is saying now that the police has sought custody of Tharoor as well. The police saying that we want custody of Shashi Tharoor in the Patiala House Court.
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely, and this is going to be seen as huge, Akshata, because remember what we are trying to put out as a picture here. Even before summons were issued to Shashi Tharoor, an anticipatory bail application has been moved by him. This anticipatory bail application that has been moved by Shashi Tharoor is a preemptive step. It seems he's nervous, he's panicking because a charge sheet has been filed by the Delhi police. The charge sheet is filed almost 3.5 to 4 years after the case happened. This charge sheet is clearly saying that Shashi Tharoor is the only person who's been named in this case. There was a cruelty charge that was put here. Now we have to see what will happen. The hearing was for 7th of July, but today there has been an anticipatory bail application.
More breaking news coming in tomorrow at 10 a.m.
That's coming in 10 a.m. tomorrow is when the order will be there. It's a breaking news that's coming in today that 10 a.m. tomorrow there will be an order. The court has fixed the matter for tomorrow is what Atul Krishnan is breaking for us. The Supreme Court, the Patiala House Court, even as it's hearing, this is a sensational development coming in. In fact, the police is saying we have two key witnesses. Both are the domestic help of Tharoor. He can influence them, all right. So in bail cases, the main reason that bail should not be given, that the Delhi police can put forward in such a case, is that he can influence witnesses. That's exactly the card that has been played by the Delhi police here to warrant the arrest and custody of Shashi Tharoor, and that's what they have said. They said Delhi police has stated in open court today We want the custody of Shashi Tharoor because he will try and influence two key witnesses. While they have not named these two key witnesses, they have said that it is the domestic help of Shashi Tharoor. He will try and influence them. Remember, viewers, it's been Republic since the very start last year who's been trying to be at the very forefront of this case. We've been trying to put forward investigation after investigation. Our investigations editor, Prema Sridevi, has been putting forward every expose that's possible in this case, trying to unravel the truth behind every goof up by the Delhi police, the shortcoming by the Delhi police. Today, the Delhi police has said two key witnesses of the Shashi Tharoor have to be examined. He will try and influence them. Hence, we want his custodial interrogation. We do not believe that he should be given bail. While the court has fixed the matter for tomorrow, and Atul Krishnan keeping us ahead on everything that's happening inside the Patiala House Court, tomorrow 10 a.m. the court has fixed for orders, but a very clear indication coming in now, Akshata, where the Delhi court is going to be going, also what the Delhi police's frame of mind is. Till now, they took a very long time to file the charge sheet. We're also going to be soon trying to go across to Atul Krishnan, who's been giving us these live updates. We're also going to try and get in a sense on whether, in fact, actually, Kapil Sibal and Abhishek Singhvi made an appearance in the court today, because we did see them making an appearance in the court yesterday. And one thing is very clear. The Congress is putting its might behind Shashi Tharoor. Yep. Earlier, we had not seen such big leaders come here. Remember, the Patiala House Court is a lower court in Delhi. It's not the kind of court where fancy lawyers such as top legal Kapil Sibal and Abhishek Manu Singhvi appear on a daily basis, even on a rare basis. It's only for the who's who such as Karti Chidambaram or a Shashi Tharoor they make a case. So it's a very big indication that they appear. And Atul Krishnan giving us another bit of information coming in from him, that he's saying everyone is leaving the courtroom now. So a very clear indication. The hearing is over. It's been posted for 10 a.m. tomorrow, but a short hearing in which the Delhi High Court has immediately indicated what it wants. The Patiala Court, I beg your pardon, has immediately indicated what it wants. The Delhi Court will be placing its order tomorrow, but the Delhi police has indicated they want custodial interrogation of Shashi Tharoor. Shashi Tharoor nervous. Shashi Tharoor is trying to get anticipatory bail. Earlier, Republic broke the story that the charge sheet has already been accessed by his lawyers. We were the only channel to have information that he'd accessed that charge sheet at a...
Sir, what are the key points? What would you like to say, sir? Sir, one...
अभी हम इंतजार करेंगे कल के लिए. We have to say that they have in writing not opposed earlier. Today we don't understand how they are opposing. We have no idea.
There from Abhishek Manu Singhvi, Kapil Sibal not willing to speak, but that really gives you a sense of how Congress's top legal mind...
Police is opposing your bail plea. What do you have to say?
We have to say that they have in writing not opposed earlier. Today we don't understand how they are opposing. We have no idea.
Tell our viewers, this is the entire battery of lawyers of the Congress party that have risen here. We've just seen Kapil Sibal leaving the courtroom today. We've also seen Dr. Abhishek Manu Singhvi leaving the courtroom today. Behind there, we also saw other lawyers of Shashi Tharoor who've appeared in the courtroom leaving today. We've seen
their stand. If they are doing it, the court will deal with it. Their report today, which they filed in the court, is contrary to their own charge sheet, which has been filed 1 month back. Yeah. Anyway, they have taken a stand. Court has to pass an order. We have argued the case. Thank you. Their report today, which they filed in the court, is contrary to their own charge sheet, which has been filed 1 month back. Yeah. Anyway, they have taken a stand. Court has to pass an order. We have argued the case. Thank you.
That's the reaction that's coming now, Vikas Pava. So viewers, we saw reactions that are coming in from Kapil Sibal, who ran away when Atul Krishnan, our colleague tried to get in touch with him. He also tried to get in touch with Dr. Abhishek Singhvi, who made a cursory reply to him and said, we will wait till tomorrow, but the anticipatory bail plea will be given. And then we saw another senior advocate, Vikas Pava. Look at the
thing that police will be able to...
My dear friend, spoken.
Sir,
Atul Krishnan, Atul, go and ask Vikas Pava a question. Why is there this nervousness by Shashi Tharoor?
I already argued in the court, right? You were there in the court.
Sir, why Mr. Shashi Tharoor is applying for the bail? Is he afraid that he will be caught and he will be arrested? Sir, why you not?
I have already argued in the court. You don't understand that?
Sir, I understand that. No, I am understanding, sir. I am understanding. I am just saying the police is objecting.
You see, I have already argued. We have argued in the court.
Sir, only just one question.
Excuse me, please. Just give me a break.
Sir, you are appearing for...
Atul, just ask him one question. Why is this panic there among Tharoor's lawyers? Atul, ask him one question. Why this panic? Why is it that we are seeing top Congress leaders such as Kapil Sibal,
my dear friend.
Abhishek Singhvi,
Thank you.
Vikas Pava, all of them there?
Thank you.
Top Congress
I can't answer all that. I can't answer all that.
Sir, just one
Thank
question.
you. Thank you.
Yeah, we can see he is not, willing to talk to us. He's saying that...
Atul is putting to him, he's not answering. Atul, just ask him a simple question. When you argued in bail and an anticipatory bail application is moved there, put your mic to him and just ask him, why is it that Congress chooses to send its top legal eagles to court? Vikas Pava is enough to argue in front of a small anticipatory bail application. He's moving behind you. Just go behind him and ask him a simple question. Why is Kapil Sibal there for an anticipatory bail plea? Why is Abhishek Singhvi there for a mere anticipatory bail plea application? It's a mere anticipatory bail plea application.
You should know how to deal with lawyers. You should know how to deal with lawyers, my dear friend.
Sir, why the top Congress guns are defending Mr. Tharoor? Sir, why there is a panic? Sir, why? Sir, why there is a panic? Sir, why? 1 minute. Sir, why top Congress guns are defending him? Sir, you can also argue in the...
I have already argued in the court. I will argue in the court.
Why Kapil Sibal and why Shashi Tharoor and Abhishek?
I will argue in the court. I have argued in the court. This is not the way you have to deal with lawyers, okay? It's very unfortunate.
But sir, I am a journalist.
It is unfortunate.
Sir,
please don't do this with me. Please don't do this with me. Have I told you?
Okay, we are seeing that right there when questions are being asked to these people, they're not answering. But the question that we're really asking here, viewers, Shashi Tharoor has put out a defense right there in the Patiala House Court. That defense has been put out today by top legal eagles of the Congress party as well as Vikas Pava. In that, they've actually moved an anticipatory bail application when the cops are now seeking Tharoor's custody. While the court has said that 10 a.m. tomorrow an order will be given, what we are putting out here is mere facts. Fact is, a charge sheet has been put out after a delay of 4 years. Fact number 2 is the cops, the Delhi police is now seeking Tharoor's custodial interrogation. Fact number 3 is the reason the Delhi police is seeking this custodial interrogation is because they are saying he might try and influence the domestic help who are the key witnesses in the case. And fact number 4, which cannot be taken over and cannot not be explained, is the fact that very, very clearly Congress legal eagles are also appearing in the case here for a mere anticipatory bail application. We are seeing a lot of flurry, of panic, of activity that is happening here for a mere anticipatory bail plea. In fact, even as we're trying to get the latest information there, let's also tell our viewers that Shashi Tharoor in this case had been booked for cruelty. And lots of reactions that are coming in, lots of people who are calling in, even as that order is at 10 a.m. tomorrow. We have to see the kind of details that are there in the charge sheet. The charge sheet had at that time stated that Shashi Tharoor at that time has been booked for cruelty. The charge sheet has also given out incriminating details that have been put out. Atul, you have great details about what happened in the case. Tell us what happened inside the courtroom. What is it that has been argued by the Delhi police?
Well, top Congress guns Kapil Sibal and Abhishek Manu Singhi, who were appearing for Shashi Tharoor, they told the court that Shashi Tharoor will never ever try to hamper the investigation, and he was available. He was available whenever he was wanted by the police. He has helped the police throughout the investigation, and he is a member of parliament. He is not going to run away from the prosecution. He is ready to face the prosecution, and whatever charges have been leveled against him are false. The political parties are trying to frame in the case. They went on saying that Shashi Tharoor is the first guy, is the someone who helped the police in the investigation, and in future also he is ready to join the investigation whenever required. To this, the prosecution, basically the SI team has objection. They said that we have two prime witnesses and they both are domestic help of Tharoor, and there are possibilities that Shashi Tharoor will try to influence them. Back to you, Rhythm.
That's right. Very huge details and sensational details coming in from the SIT in the Delhi court, which says that Shashi Tharoor might try and influence the probe by trying to influence the domestic help, and that's why they want his custodial interrogation. Thank you, Atul Krishnan, for keeping us ahead of all those details. 10 a.m. tomorrow, that order. We slip into a quick break, and we have to see what will happen tomorrow in this case. Viewers,